Hope that you are doing fabulous, darling. I'm doing amazing, child. I'm so relaxed. I'm currently on vacation in Orlando, Florida, and while I'm just chilling in the car before we make our next stop, I was thinking, you know what? It's time for me to do another vlog. While I'm traveling back home tomorrow, I'm going to be editing this vlog, and I was importing clips today while I was chilling on the balcony, and this is April's vlog. I know, I don't want to hear. Y'all already know. This is going to be all of my April up until I went on my cruise. That's going to be a totally different video. I went on a vacation with my friends, and then I'm on family vacation right now, and I don't know if I'm going anywhere else. I'll be going to a lot of concerts and different things coming up soon, and hopefully like some festivals and just different little cutesy trips. And then I think I'll start back up with traveling some more in the fall, because it's my birthday in October, and you know, just I gotta plan again, because I had planned all this stuff like back in February. Thank y'all so much for still watching my videos and keeping up with my content. I'm just excited that you guys are receptive to whatever I put out. I'm grateful for that. I have a lot more content coming out for you guys. I'm sorry, y'all, that it's April's vlog that I'm putting out, but you know, I've just been being more present in my life, and sometimes I just have to put the computer down. I haven't really been touching, you know, editing, and I realized, oh man, once I put out content that I have some other stuff that I need to put out. So yeah, but thank y'all for rocking with me. I really do appreciate it, and thank you. Make sure to go ahead and thumbs this video up. Really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on all of my social media. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into this vlog. Hours later, I just got up and washed my ass, literally, because I've been spring cleaning all day. Like, I started at noon. It is now going on 7 o'clock. I got a lot done. 2 trash bags full of stuff that need to go in the trash can, a bag that's going to Goodwill, just too much stuff that I found. Wait a second. So y'all know I rocks with Spotify. This is one of the rare times that you'll see me without a lip. Anywho, I found a bunch of CDs. Like, I threw away a bunch of CDs that were burned. Y'all remember, don't act like you don't remember burned CDs, okay? What did I find today? I found Marcus Houston's Naked album, Pretty Ricky's Blue Star. Child, there's some good memories of Pretty Ricky. Anyway, Young Rome, I used to love him. Y'all remember he was an Immature? He was the one that had the one eye, but he literally has 2 eyes. I think one of his was just a little cocked. That's what happened. Lloyd Banks, like, just a bunch of old stuff. And I was sitting here like, oh my God, like, I cannot remember the last time I willingly went out and purchased a compact disc. I think it was, I know it had to be something Beyonce. No. When Prince passed, I bought his CD. It's over there. But I did buy that. What did I find? This is a mixed CD. Honey R&B Part 2. R&B Legacy 4. R&B Turn On. Hit List 9. 106 in Park Volume 10. I used to love these because it was the countdown. Autumn school dances and parties and Met Child. Oh my God, that takes me back. So these trash. I think this is pretty full too. I can go ahead and throw this away. I did this myself too. Show did. You know when you cut stuff out of magazines and stuff and do vision boards? I figured instead of doing vision boards, I might as well do like little affirmation, affirmative action type of thing. I'm that type of person. I need to see it every day. So I put this one up. Why is this picture up here? I don't know why. What grade was this? 1st grade? Yeah, let me move all of this stuff up and rearrange it. Right, a little bit more simplistic. Not exactly what I wanted it to come out like, but you know what? I'm liking a little, it's more simple, not as busy. Sing Mariah. I'm going too long. You don't treat them bad. I just need time. Wait. Lunch was great. I came home to get me a grilled cheese sandwich. I had a taste for it. And thankfully, I only live like 10 minutes from my job, so on my way back to work. It's so nasty outside. I'm so happy that it's Wednesday. 2 more days, child. Flavor Flav became famous by being a certified hype man. And then got famous again by being a reality star. You can do anything you want. The rain just told my hair, do better yesterday. So it's now in a ponytail. The funny thing, I had tacos for dinner. We had a rep that came in and we get lunch pretty much. And they brought in On the Border. I was like, ain't this about a bit? Child, my stomach is on fire right now. Like, every time I eat On the Border, y'all know I love their margaritas, but every time I eat it On the Border, I don't know what it is, but my stomach just does the Harlem Shake. I can't, like, but everybody at work today was like, ooh, I don't know how long I'm gonna make it. And surprisingly enough, I ain't have to use the bathroom. I hate using public restrooms, but when duty calls, I will wrap up that toilet seat. Say all that to say, I'm not hungry. Ugh. Guess who came to visit me? Alexis.
What's up, good people?
We have been chatting for the last hours. It's been hours.
Probably like 4.
Maybe 4. This is how it is every time we get together. This is what you do on Friday nights. We're tired from working, and you make business moves and talk about ideas and how you're going to move forward in life. That's what you do on Friday evenings. How you living, kid? You good? Okay. Jay and I are at the movies again. This time,
it's morphing. It's morphing.
Jay is obviously the Blue Ranger. Go. Go. I'm the Burgundy Ranger. Just for today, I'll be the Pink Ranger. Glad I saw it.
I need a sequel to come out like this Friday. That's what I need. You got the cool, you got just the shoes to do this walk.
What Shay made me do today? He made me park, but back in. Now before there were cars all around here, I was quite proud of myself. Backed in there like swimwear. That was good though. I don't back in, but that was nice. Thank you.
You like that?
Oh. It's Monday. My Mondays are always like kill me now, but I'm irritated after my lunch. Oh, that's a fat ass bee. People who park like they got their license at the bread store. I hate it. Child, I'm in the doctor's office. I feel like Shad. ×4. I work in a doctor's office. I ain't supposed to be in here. Used to, I'd take gloves, but I don't have to do that anymore because the place I work at has plenty of gloves. No, we're good on the bandages. Thank you. I'm just leaving the doctor's office. I have bronchitis. You hear that? That's what it's been like for me for the past week. And I finally said, I can't self-medicate myself. I need some, like, something strong. He was like, I can give you some medication with codeine in it. And he looked at me like, I want to say, oh, what Wheezy has in the double red cup. I'll take that. He was like, but you're going to be kind of, you know, bankhead bouncing at work. I'm like, whatever. I need this stuff, okay? I can't be, this is irritating. I couldn't even hardly sleep last night. So, and the crazy thing imagine I had to do a whole review coughing through it. Like, the editing on that, almost, oh my God, it was disturbing. So, what I'm going to do, thankfully, my pharmacy is right around the corner. On to work. Jesus. I was taking everything. Alka-Seltzer Plus. NyQuil. Vicks Vapor Rub all up on my chest. Alka-Seltzer. Did I say that already? Y'all put a mask on. I don't want you to get sick. Hey. How you doing? I have bronchitis.
Yeah, show a little picture of yourself. Little tubes at it.
Yeah. I have bronchitis. And they didn't have my meds ready. So that's why I'm here. Them trying to be like Harris Teeter.
What it is now.
Look at their little...
They, made the store larger, but this is just maneuvered stuff now. They're separated.
They got the little BJ's lights.
You want some orange juice?
They got the little BJ's lights.
You want some orange juice?
I got my drugs. My drugs. My drugs. Max, you're so cute. You look so cute. Where you going? Where you going?
He doesn't feel picturesque.
You don't feel like being in the video, all in the video? Come to Death Row. It's Saturday. I'm on my 3rd day of antibiotics. Feeling a little bit better today. I forgot what the temperature is outside, but I'm a little chilly, so I put this on, and girl, you gonna run into the place, ain't you? Lord Jesus. These people in these trucks don't know how to drive, got their license from the bread store. Girl, if you hit my mirror, we gonna fight. Mama P and I are hanging out today. We're going to Raleigh. We're getting ready to go to the Fresh Market. Hopefully they're still open. It's Easter weekend, so it is like traffic on 95, like back to back. It's horrible. But we took the opposite way and then merged back, so it was a little bit better. The viewers, chillo.
What's up, viewers? I got my makeup halfway on, girl.
I know it. I'm looking dusty.
And I got on the same shirt I had on the last time we talked to the viewers. They don't think I ain't got no clothes.
Well, I wear this shirt all the time. I mean, granted, we have clothes. I'm just wearing the same thing I wear all the time. I mean,
This one is a little
it's comfy.
more comfortable.
My twang doesn't come out all the time, but it comes
Sometimes
out
it does.
sometimes, especially when I'm at work, because I work with
Sometimes
other
you sound
country
like that
folk.
girl. What's her name?
Who?
That sings.
Who?
What's her name? She sings real good.
Who's that?
What is
Now,
her
yours,
name?
mom's comes out a lot more than she thinks.
Don't
What did
show
you
me.
say? What did you say the other day? And we were like, whoa!
You made a big deal out of it. I didn't think nothing was wrong with it. Sometimes you say, uh-huh.
I do say uh-huh.
Mama.
And mama. Yeah.
Mama.
Eat more veggies. I always say I want to do a garden and this and that, but I need to quit lying to myself. Ain't nobody got time for that. Made it to the mall. We managed to get front row seating, aka front parking. Come on, buddy. Thank you so much. Thank you, you too. Thank you, dear. Like me, I like wearing color. That's just me. But I like a little black number every now and again. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's been a great day. The weather has been fantastic. I am full. I'm a little gassy. Jesus, fix it. Jesus wept and gave us paper plates. Amen. I'm a part of the band with the thing. I made it home before it started raining. Yes, yes, yes. Today at work, this drama, honey. I just go to work, get my check, and go home. Like that's what I do. Okay. Anyway, I'm trying to be more cognizant of looking at the camera instead of looking at myself. I'm trying, but using this iPhone, it's a little, you know, I gotta get used to that. So I'm sorry if I'm looks like I'm looking at myself all the time, because I am. So I need to start looking over here. So it looks like I'm connecting. You good? Okay. 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 Today has been an extremely long day. Shout out to my job for providing lunch today. It was a lunch meeting. But y'all, all I had to do was sit down. So anyway, I'm just getting off. And Mama P was like, fajita night at On the Border? I was like, yeah, bitch. I'ma just pull up. You just get in. I had to pick up some waters from BJ's. This is a 3.5-pound bag. Great for sharing. Sharing? What is that? And it's resealable? And it's only $7.29. I'll be back for you. Happy Friday! Even though I'm dusty, we're here. The sun is out. It feels great. There's a tank of gas in here, and the air is coming on. Sing Raymond. Oh my God, I can't wait to get these eyebrows done on Sunday. Oh my goodness. Washing out the car. Perfect weather to do that. We have a new Lowe's that opened, so they're having a grand opening, and we in Lowe's like we ain't never been here. How cute's the little tool? What kind of tool is this? The little hammer. How cute. Jay and I were in the mall. We went to the movies. Went to see Fate of the Furious. Best. Oh, the action was spectacular. I didn't
see the next two.
Yes. Shay knows that I have a one problem. But he said it's not a problem. Hence the man who buys sneakers all the time. So.
You need 6.5.
Yeah. Or 6. Remember, y'all, we were looking at these in Dallas. Remember? I want to explore my Jordan Horizons. So I'm going to at least try these on. I don't want these, but I want to know what size I wear. Shay bought these the other day, but
not in that size.
Not in this size. How much did you pay for those shoes?
I got them tax free, $175.
But he wanted them, so he got them. That's how you have to live your life. If you want something, you get it.
Ain't that right?
Be quiet. But you get it. What do you think, young Shay?
Very cute.
They do look cute from far away.
I like to see.
I love that. I don't feel well. I'm congested. I have an appointment at 7. A waxing appointment. With this type of rain, I just want to sleep. But I'm not missing my appointment. I'm at the spa, waiting for my appointment. Now I ain't taking y'all in there. It's the end of the vlog. Make sure you have a fabulous, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video. Peace, love, and all that good stuff. God